Now we'll go over how to show our macros, and there's two ways to do this. So firstly, on our menu tab in our settings, we want to make sure that show macros is turned on. Then we'll come over to our menu page and we'll pull up a meal. I'll go ahead with this grilled chicken platter that I just created. Now you'll notice that this macros, the 4 boxes are empty. If you entered your ingredients into the system, you could leave these empty and the system will automatically fill these in with the accurate information from your ingredients. So you could leave these blank and it'll automatically display on the menu the correct way. Now, if you didn't add your ingredients in on the ingredients page, or if you just wanted to override it with something else, you would simply come in here and enter those amounts, and this is what the customer would see instead.